Do you want to know how long it takes to travel from one place to another using Google Maps on a PC? In this video, I will show you how to check directions, distance, and travel time step by step. First, open Google Maps on your computer. On the left side of the screen, click on the Directions button. Now you will see two input fields. The first field is for your starting location, and the second field is for your destination. My starting location is already saved as home, so Google Maps automatically selects Los Angeles. In the destination field, I type New Mexico and press enter. After that, Google Maps shows the complete route between Los Angeles and New Mexico, along with the total distance. By default, the car option is selected, and it shows that driving will take 12 hours and 48 minutes. Now I click on the walking option, and Google Maps shows that walking would take around 14 days. Next, I select the bicycle option, and Google Maps shows that cycling would take approximately 84 hours. This way, Google Maps allows you to compare different travel options and choose the best one according to your needs. This is how you can easily check directions, distance, and travel time between two places using Google Maps on your PC. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below for more easy tech guides.